Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix mobile data problem in your Motorola smartphone. So let's start the video. Sometimes your mobile networks are not coming, there is a slow network, you can't be able to download applications or any file. So you have to just firstly open your aeroplane mode, so it will turn off your mobile network. Just open it for 10 seconds. After that you have to turn off aeroplane mode, and then you have to click on settings, click on network and internet. Here it is sim preference, click on sim 1 or sim 2. It will show you APN mode. You have to click on APN. So you can see I have not inserted any sim card, so I can't be able to click on that. Click on sim 1, scroll down, click on APN, reset to default. It will also refresh your internet. Then click on search, right here reset, and search here reset options, and here it is reset mobile network settings. By doing that it will fix your mobile networks problem. So you can see it is now reset. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.